Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to be solving quadratic inequalities. And this is a GCSE higher topic. Okay, let's go. Example 1. So to solve this inequality, we pretend as if it's a quadratic equation. And we factorize it. So if I factorize that, let me write it as an equation first. Okay. Plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. Now I factorize. We need two numbers to multiply to give you minus 8, and those two numbers must add up to 2. Okay, two brackets. With x's in both of them. Four times 2 is 8, but we need minus 8, so one of them will be a negative number. That'll give us x plus 4 and x minus 2. There's another video on factorizing quadratics. You can see that video to revise how to factorize. Okay, 4 times minus 2 is minus 8, and 4 minus 2 will give you 2, so that works. Equals 0. And then we solve. So if I equate each bracket to 0, I'm going to have x plus 4 equals 0. X will be minus 4 then. S equals minus 4. If I equate this bracket to 0, I'm going to have x minus 2 equals 0. X will be 2. Okay, so these are critical values. Minus 4 and 2. Now I'm going to represent that on a number line. Okay, if I have my number line here, I have those 2 points there. So that bit will be 2, and that will be minus 4. Now I'm going to test all 3 regions to test. So I'm going to test this region. I'll test this region. And I'm going to test this region. Okay. So we need a number. So if I test this region, any number here, any number less than minus 4, I'm going to test it in here. And it needs to be more than or equal to 0. Okay, if I change that to more than or equal to 0 now, that'll make sense. More than or equal to 0. Okay. If I rewrite that here, then it's easy for me to use x plus x plus 4 and x minus 2 is more than or equal to 0. So any value here, so if I choose let's say minus 5, okay, if I put that in this bracket, I'm going to have minus 5 plus 4. That will give me minus 1. And is this bracket same using minus 5? Minus 5 minus 2 will give me minus 7. Minus 1 times minus 7 will give me 7. And that's more than or equal to 0. More than or equal to 0. So this satisfies that region. Okay, and we've used x equals 5, remember? X equals 5. Sorry, minus 5. X equals minus 5 we have used. Because we've used any number less than minus 4 here. If I choose a region in the middle, I'll write the I'll write my quadratic factorizing again. You have to test each region to see which satisfy your inequality. And that's when you will write the sign, okay? Instead of equal to. Okay. If I choose a number in this region, let's say x equals, let's say 1. If I substitute 1 into here, I'm going to have 1 plus 4 is 5. And then 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay. If I multiply that together, I will have minus 5. Is minus 5 more than or equal to 0? No. So that does not equal to 0. So this region doesn't work. Let's try another number here. Let's try the region more than 2. If I write it again, I'm writing it out each time for the purpose of the students that get confused that why are we doing this? What are you doing, miss? Here you go. We are testing each interval, each region, to see which ones will satisfy the inequality. Okay, so any number greater than 2 here, if I choose 3, so 3 plus 4 is 7. And 3 minus 2 will give us 1. And our answer will be 7 times 1 is more than or equal to 0. So we have enough of that. Now we can write the inequality for our critical value. So it means x, because all the numbers in this region, any number in this region will work in this region. So x is less than. Did we try minus 4? Let's try minus 4. If I put minus 4 in there, that'll give me 0. And then minus 4 take away 2 will give me minus 6. And minus 6 times 0 is more than or equal to 0. So it satisfies that region as well. So x is less than or equal to minus 4. And x, we checked its region as well. So it's the numbers here. Did we check 2? Let's check 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. And then 2 take away 2 is 0. So that will give us 0 anyway. So and that satisfies the inequality. 0 is more than or equal to 0. Okay, so it's more than or equal to 2. Now we have solved this quadratic inequality. I hope it all makes sense. You can make a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.